Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll show you how to view printed document history in Windows so you can keep track of every file your printer processes. We will enable the built-in logging system to capture this data, so now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click the Start button and select the Event Viewer from the list of administrative tools. This utility is the central location where Windows records all system activities, including the specific actions taken by your printing hardware. Step 2. Navigate through the folder path in the left sidebar by opening Applications and Services Logs, then Microsoft, then Windows, and finally the Print Service folder. This specific directory contains the dedicated data logs for all printing tasks handled by your computer. Step 3. Double-click on the entry labeled Operational and select the Enable Log option, if available or not, to begin recording your data. Once you do this, Windows will start keeping a permanent record of every document you print from this moment forward. Step 4. Look at the General tab at the bottom to see the document name, the user, and the date. This detailed view allows you to verify exactly what was printed and when, which is perfect for auditing your paper usage. Step 5. Refresh the list at any time by clicking the refresh button on the right side of the window. This updates the log with your most recent printing activity so you always have the latest history available at a glance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.